guys, so we are in Singapore during Token2049 and here with Joanna Tutova, co-founder of Cointelegram, and our honored guest, legendary Davinci, who has a birthday today. Happy birthday, Davinci.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, I wish you a lot of happiness, good health, and as well, crypto always going to the moon and only up.
Yes, well, crypto will definitely go to the moon.
Yeah, so Davinci is very popular for his video back in 2013 when he told everybody to buy Bitcoin for at least $1. So he gave literally very wise advice, and he's quite famous for it now, but he started with crypto back in 2011, so now he will tell us his story, how he discovered crypto and Bitcoin so early, and much more.
Well, I got into Bitcoin in March of 2011 when one of my subscribers said, "Hey, Davinci, what do you think about Bitcoin?" Because I was talking about gold and silver as a means of storing your wealth, preserving your wealth. When I saw Bitcoin, I realized, oh my God, this is going to work, because I went through the source code, I read the white paper, and as a software developer myself, I knew this was a project that was going to work.
And what are your thoughts about other blockchains, like a lot of projects trying to resolve scalability dilemma, like Solana, Avalanche, Aptos, Sui, and so many others? So what are your thoughts on other technologies?
Well, whilst Ethereum might have a little bit of a problem with the transactions, the amount of transactions you can do, it is the blockchain that everybody's going to eventually use for creating complex financial products. Yes, Matic seems to be creeping up on it, right? Because it's you could actually run multiple applications on Matic, but it's more centralized than Ethereum is. And on top of that, Ethereum, you could create several layers, multiple layers, so like a second layer for your specific project and be compatible with Ethereum at the same time. So it makes the most sense.
And how do you see the current market?
Well, the current market, we're currently in a bear market. We're reversing out of that bear market, but it's going to take some time. We have to wait until Bitcoin halving occurs. That's going to be around April or May. And once that happens, then Bitcoin will slowly start to move up and then just take off like a rocket ship into all new highs.
And what would be the catalyst for the next bull market besides halving?
Well, I really think that the halving is the catalyst. There is no other catalyst that could possibly occur that would start the Bitcoin journey, except for the U.S. dollar collapse. If the U.S. dollar collapses, which could happen at any time, that's all bets are off. The bull market starts right away, right at that point. I can tell you that much.
Are you accumulating currently any altcoins?
Right now, it's just Shiba Inu, and I think I'm going to get a few others in the future. I'm waiting for the altcoin markets to turn around. But overall, the altcoin market is not in a positive sense. Bitcoin is the best way to invest in, because you can see on the charts that Bitcoin dominance is rising in percentage terms. So that means altcoins are, on an average basis, is dropping.
And are you bullish as well on Shiba Inu?
Oh yes, I'm bullish on Shiba. They are actually building on that project, and people love being able to buy a lot of something, because the divisibility problem. When people hear about Bitcoin, it's too expensive. They don't understand that they could buy just a small fraction of Bitcoin. They think, well, and even if they do, they think, well, why do I want a small fraction of Bitcoin? Because nobody goes to the store and say, hey, can I get 1/100 millionth of an apple? No, you want the whole apple. Right? So people like to buy a lot of something and hope for one day that it becomes like $1. So imagine being able to spend $1 worth of dollars on Shiba Inu and to get millions of them, and then dream about the day it's worth $1 for each Shiba Inu. So that's why the divisibility problem exists. People prefer whole numbers.
Yeah, this is funny. And what are the best applications of blockchain technology for you? Which use cases do you find the most useful, the most important?
Well, right now I think Bitcoin is the best for money, because there's no changing the past history, because there's no forks. Other than that, I think Ethereum is the next use case. The way it's designed provides more flexibility for chains to come on. If you want to create your own chain, you can do that. Base it on top of Ethereum and have all the rest of the compatibility so that you can actually create complex applications such as friend.tech that I'm actually just joined, and I'm like, wow, that's a pretty impressive piece of technology right there. That's built on the top of the frame of Ethereum.
And what is your opinion about NFTs and what NFTs do hold?
Well, I have my own NFT project called Davinci NFT, and that's one of my main NFTs. I also own other NFTs that from friends that I've purchased that have given me some free NFTs or I've purchased in the past. But I don't have one specific NFT that I really, really like, because NFTs are, just collectibles basically.
So you're not a fan of Bored Ape Yacht Club or CryptoPunks?
No, I don't have a CryptoPunk or a Bored Ape Yacht Club, but I was thinking about buying one, but no.
And how do you see the involvement of the industry in the next 5-10 years?
Well, the industry is only going to increase. There's all the financial products that exist on Wall Street today will come to the blockchain, will come to Ethereum. We're going to see stocks, bonds, everything exist on Ethereum or some other blockchain, most likely Ethereum than any other blockchain. Probably other blockchains will run games such as Matic might be relegated to games, but we're going to mostly see all financial products running on Ethereum.
And do you have any price predictions as for Bitcoin by the end of this year or like in the short term, this or next month?
Well, I really think that Bitcoin, we're going to see Bitcoin next year by this time over $43,000 for sure, and moving higher as we see it, as we cheer it on to go to all-time highs.
Hopefully we'll see the bull market soon, and thank you for talking with us and sharing your
No problem. Thank you for having me. Cheers.